Hi, it's Darnell at Wave of Recipes, and today I'm doing an air fry Q&A regarding something going on in every air fry basket that is an often asked question. Inside of these air fry baskets, any air fry basket, are these little kind of rubbery type of tabs on the sides. Sometimes they're on the sides on the edges, sometimes they're over here, but they're on the sides. And usually when you first pull your air fry rack out of your air fry basket, you got these tabs on here and you think, well, maybe they were just put there during shipping, and you wonder, should they stay? What are they? And so that's what I'm here to answer. And I want to let you know that these tabs are put in place so that the metal on the rack doesn't scrape the metal in the basket. So these little tabs are there for protective purposes. They're there for a reason. They're not there for something that's used in shipping. They are a function and a part of the air fry basket and the rack itself, so that you don't go scraping up the inside of your basket with your rack. Also, people usually wonder, well, what are they made of? What is it? And usually they're made of like a silicone type of material is usually what they use. It wouldn't be like a standard rubber, but it's more like a silicone type of material usually. And then people usually wonder, well, are they safe? Because they seem like rubber. And they are safe. They're heat resistant safe, so they're not going to melt. They're not going to cause smoke. They are made to be very heat resistant to handle high temperatures. So you're not going to have any type of fire or safety issue in that regard with these. And you can also consult the manual for the cooker air fryer you have to see, and they'll usually tell you that these little rubbery type of gaskets, they are okay and safe. And then people often wonder, are they safe for your health? And I'll say this, usually they're made of a BPA-free food grade type of material. You can always contact the manufacturer, have a chat with them about it if you have any worries or concerns. However, since they're in an air fryer, they're usually made to not be something that's going to like really mess you up because of these. But I want to say something regarding these little bumpers also. These usually are not going to touch your food, okay? So they're usually on the side. If they are going to off gas or do something of that nature, there's a lot more in air fryers and air fry baskets that you would want to be concerned about in that regard than these little things. These are going to be the most minuscule, and somewhat literally the most minuscule part that you'd want to be concerned about as far as things that are off gassing or getting something in or on your food. There's a lot more to how air fryers are constructed and their baskets are constructed that you'd want to be concerned about if that's the case. And if you have concerns or worries, well then, you may want to reconsider if an air fryer is really for you. And so these little bumpers, obviously they have to stay in place if you're going to be using an air fryer. But if you do find from this information that an air fryer is not for you, well then here on this channel, there are reviews of well over 100 different types of countertop appliances and over 900 videos showing how to use them, how to cook with them, different recipes and such. And so if an air fryer, basket air fryer is not your thing, there's a lot of air fryer toaster ovens and other types of countertop cookers here on the channel that you can check out, and you basically find the one that you like and run with it. And so I do hope that this video has helped you to better realize parts inside of your air fryer and how necessary some of them are. And so here on this channel, nothing is sponsored or given to me, and I prefer things that way. And in the video description, there are lots of ways to help the channel. Also, you can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Again, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com. And in the video description, there's stuff like my cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to my Amazon shop where you pay the same price, help the channel. Also, buy me a coffee link as well. And so with all of that said, if you did like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.